Hello, everyone. If you're opening Microsoft Copilot Studio recently and seeing this new message, select a team to begin creating agents for Microsoft Teams. Don't worry, this is not an error. Microsoft has introduced a new Teams integrated experience in Copilot Studio. Now, while creating agents, Microsoft may ask you to associate the agent with a Microsoft Teams team. This mainly happens because of new Teams agent integration, Teams-based environments, or recent Copilot Studio UI updates from Microsoft. If you want to continue, simply click Select a Team and choose your Microsoft Teams team. And if you're only working on normal Copilot Studio development, try switching to another Power Platform environment from the top right environment selector. This message does not mean your tenant, license, or Copilot is broken. It is mostly part of Microsoft's new onboarding and Teams integration experience. You can even select your team while creating the new agent. Let's create a new agent. Name your agent, then click on the agent settings, along with configuring language. Solution, schema, you can select your team for collaboration as well. Then click on the Create button. Let me know in the comments if you're also seeing this update in your tenant. That's it. Subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft Copilot Studio latest updates, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new updates from Microsoft Copilot Studio.